Hi friends, welcome to my channel. It has been a long while since I uploaded any video, so here I am. So for this video, we are going to see how to make a sticker without any fancy things like sticker paper, wax paper or something. So in this video, we are going to see how to make a sticker using day-to-day life things. So let's start. The things which we are going to use to make the sticker is a pencil, eraser, a black sketch pen. I am using a nylon nib sketch pen of art gel. It has a soft nib which helps me to do some things like inking or filling some spaces. Then some color pencils and some sketch pens or watercolor pen, whatever you want to say it. Some sellotape, white sheet of paper, scissors and a plastic. So I'm using a plastic which came with a clothing item. It is a bit thick, easy to handle, and please do not use the very thin carry bags or polythene bags which come in the market. Those kind of plastic are very good to use for making the sticker, and it will be very easy to handle also. And the last but not the least, a reference image. I will link this image in the description box. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first step to make the sticker is to draw out the images which you want to make stickers of. You may also use a printer if you have, but I'm going to draw them out. So I will be just fast forwarding the whole drawing process. Okay, so I have completed drawing and coloring and doing all kind of stuff with my drawing. So now I am going to cut it out, but please take care that you are leaving a nice boundary outside the drawing, so it will be easier for you to cut and also to handle. So let me just zoom it out. Okay, so I have cut it out, as you can see, like this. Now we are going to start the lengthy process of making the sticker. So first step is to take the plastic which you have like this now, and take a sellotape also. So now we are going to start the process. So first step is to take a piece of sellotape which you have and stick it on the plastic with the sticky side down like this. Okay, so I have stuck the sellotape on both sides of the picture, first layer of sellotape, then the second layer was of the photo, and then the last layer was of sellotape again. So now we're going to take out or cut out the picture out of this plastic also. So it is again quite a messy job, so I'm going to do it off the camera and then show it to you. Okay, so I have cut out the uh, sticker as you can see. So just this was it, very simple. Now all you need to do is just take out the plastic and then stick the picture. So this was it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Bye.